Hello, this is from Tofica Philippines. Let me introduce to you our Gemini 3609 2024 edition. So, the 2024 edition has a new packaging. Color white na siya. Same din dito sa inclusions. Sa bago nating box, mas minimalist na siya. And then for the inclusions, ito naman. Meron siyang manual, cup warmer, and then yung porta filter natin, color white na. Nandito yung double shot. Silicone backflash. And last, yung brush for the group head, hook for the descaler. So first, discuss ko po muna sa inyo yung buttons and functions. First, meron tayong water tank, 1.75 liters. Cup warmer po, power on and off. On ko na siya. So, meron siyang 2 to 5 minutes na preheating time. And then, this one naman is yung single shot and double shot, bar indicator, timer, hot water, button for steaming. And then, meron din tayong steaming knob dito. And then, steam 1, group head, hot water, and last, yung dip tray. So, ngayon, try naman natin yung hot water. Naka-program siya ng 5 seconds. Kung gusto mong taasan yung seconds niya, same lang po yung procedure. Press and hold lang po. Naman, try naman natin yung sa steaming. First, click natin to. And then, ikot natin yung knob. Since single boiler siya, ang gagawin lang natin is pull muna ng shot and then click natin ito para gumana yung steaming. So, ang default time ng extraction natin is 25 seconds. So, ngayon, paano naman natin siya i-program? Ang gagawin lang po natin is press and hold. Example, 10 seconds. So, yung next click niya is automatically 10 seconds na siya. Try natin. So, yun. Nag-automatic po siya na 10 seconds. For 3609 color option, meron tayong off-white. For only 9,700, meron na tayong freebies. For more info, message lang po kayo sa Tofico Philippines. Thank you!